Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to change length of music on Instagram story. Once in Instagram, you are going to tap on your story in the top left hand corner. Then from here you are going to select a photo, or you are going to take a photo, as you are only able to change the length of the music once it is on a photo. For example, you'll tap on the photo, then you'll tap on the sticker icon at the top. Then select music, and from here you can select the song that you would like to use. And as you can see right here in the bottom left hand corner, you will see 15. You're going to tap on that, and from here you can select the duration that you would like. So for example, you can tap on 7 seconds, then tap on done, then you'll tap on done again in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to change the length of music on Instagram story.